how to link up your bank account on Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually link up your bank account on Cash App. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, in order to link up your bank account on Cash App, all you have to do is just open the Cash App. Once you open Cash App, just tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Then over here you'll find the option called Linked Banks. Just tap on it. And over here you'll find the option called Link Debit Card. Just tap on it again. Now, one way you can link up your bank is by using its debit card number. So basically you can just go ahead and then actually enter the debit card number, the expiration date, the 3-digit CVV, and the link card option. This will directly link your card instead of the bank. But if you don't have your card and then you want to directly add only bank, then you'll find the option called No Card from the bottom left. Just tap on this No Card question mark icon. Then it's going to load for a little bit of pop-up, and then it's going to show you what are the other ways you can add it. And here you can see it says link your bank account. So just tap on the continue button. It will ask you to simply select which bank you have. Now, to link your bank account, you must have its mobile banking or online banking, or you also need to have its account number and so on. So let's say I want to link up my Chase bank. I'll just select Chase over here, and it'll ask me to verify the captcha, so I might as well go ahead and then verify the captcha as well. Then I'm to authenticate with Chase, so just tap on continue. It will take me to a page where I can sign into my Chase online banking credentials. Once I sign into my Chase mobile banking account, then I'll be able to successfully link my Chase account into my Cash App account. This is it on how you can link up your bank account on Cash App. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.